a custom-made Homesteading song just for you. Here's the deal. When I was a kid growing up, we had a upright piano, a small one, right in our living room. Mom would play and my sister and I would sing songs. We were always pretty darn musical. Around 4th grade, I started taking trumpet lessons, and then I got involved with trumpet in the band, and I started playing the French horn in the orchestra. I started taking guitar lessons at the YMCA and got into that. And then I kept playing all these instruments and that through high school. I went off to college. I started playing a banjo there, learning the banjo and playing that, little mandolin, some other things. And then the cool thing is, where I grew up, I had an aunt and uncle that lived in the same town as the band Cheap Trick. And I kind of knew those guys, met them a few times, hung out with them a little bit. And they were doing the college tour back then, before they became really famous and did the Japan trip and all that stuff. So that was pretty cool. So I haven't been playing for a while, so I decided to write this Homesteading song, and I know you'll like it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Homesteading, happy, fun, loving, and carefree. Homesteading, when dirt begins, your dreams will be. Homesteading, the way a good life ought to be. Homesteading, come on, my friend, and join me. Oh, you know the rule, and you break the rule. Now there are no rules, and you make the rules like you know that they ought to be. You knows you can't buy happiness. It's what they says to me. You knows you can see the happiness when you get yourself a couple of chicks. You know, your spouse says no, 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 but you don't care, and you go ahead and get a couple more chicks. You know, you've heard it all before. It's not how it's gonna be, I don't think so no more. Chicken math, oh chicken math, yes, chicken math, it's the only math for me, and you can buy happiness. Get some chickens! You knows working at a job that just gets your boss man rich. You knows working at a job, I quit, you're fired, game over, hey, I'm rich. Homesteading, happy, fun, loving, and carefree. Homesteading, when dirt roads begin, your life will be awesome. Homesteading, homesteading. Oh yeah, the way a good life ought to be. Homesteading. Come on, my friend, and join me. So if you have a friend that really likes awesome music, share this video with them. And if you have any questions about homesteading, ask. We want you living happy, fun-loving, and carefree. Live life doing it yourself.